You know, many people over 60 don't realize this until it's almost too late. Your body starts doing something quietly, something dangerous. As you age, your muscle strength can drop by up to 8% every decade. And suddenly, simple things you used to do effortlessly, like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or even carrying groceries, become a struggle. Has this ever happened to you? You reach for something on the shelf and feel this strange weakness in your arm, a weakness you never used to have. Most seniors think they need expensive supplements, protein powders, or a fridge full of eggs to fix this. But here's the shocking truth. There are 6 tiny seeds, yes, seeds, that help seniors build muscle faster than eggs. And what's crazy is, most people over 60 have never heard this or are eating them the wrong way. But here's the part you must not ignore. If you don't protect your muscles after 60, you're at higher risk of falls, fractures, weak immunity, slow metabolism, and early aging. So stick with me, because in this video, you'll discover the 6 seeds that help seniors build strong, lean muscle fast, the one special seed combo that works better than eggs, and the simple daily method that seniors around the world swear by. Stick around, because the best seed on this list is coming in just a minute, and it's something 90% of people overlook. Let me know in the comments if you've ever felt sudden weakness or unexplained tiredness. Your experience could help someone else. You can support us by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever there's a new upload on the channel. Let's begin. Seed number 1, flax seeds, the senior muscle protector. Let's start with one of the most underestimated muscle builders on the planet, flax seeds. If you're over 60, your body begins to lose a silent battle: inflammation. It slowly eats away at your muscle fibers, making you weaker, stiffer, and more tired than you should be. That's where flax seeds come in. Flax seeds contain one of the highest natural sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a powerful plant omega-3. Think of ALA as a repair engineer that quietly slips into your muscles and starts fixing what age has damaged. Why seniors love flax seeds? They reduce inflammation, so your muscles stay firm. They protect joints and help with mobility. They support digestion, which helps your body absorb protein better. They keep your heart strong, essential for anyone over 60. And here's something shocking. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed has more muscle repairing power than 3 eggs without raising cholesterol. Signs you may need flax seeds: morning stiffness, slow recovery after small activities, unexpected fatigue, digestive sluggishness, achy joints and muscles. How to use best for seniors. Ground flaxseed is the best because the body absorbs it quickly. Add 1 tablespoon to your pop, oats, tea, or even gari. Stick around because flaxseed forms a super combo with seed number 5 that seniors absolutely swear by. Seed number 2, pumpkin seeds, the bone and muscle builder. Pumpkin seeds are like tiny green soldiers loaded with magnesium, a mineral responsible for muscle strength, nerve stability, and healthy energy levels. After 60, magnesium becomes one of the most common deficiencies. This is why many seniors suddenly feel shaky hands, weak grip strength, restless sleep, low energy, muscle cramps, or twitching. Pumpkin seeds fix this fast. What makes them powerful? They have 2 times more magnesium than eggs. They're one of the richest zinc sources, important for muscle repair. They help the body convert food into steady, reliable energy. They calm nerves and improve sleep quality. Many seniors who start eating pumpkin seeds say the same thing. I don't feel tired like before. Why seniors should care. Your muscles don't just need protein. They need minerals to activate that protein. Pumpkin seeds provide the spark that makes your muscles actually work. How to use? Easy senior method. Eat a small handful daily. Sprinkle on rice, pop, salads, or blend into smoothies. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried pumpkin seeds before? Seed number 3. Sesame seeds. Ancient bone and strength food. Sesame seeds may be tiny, but they are one of the oldest strength foods in the world. Ancient African, Middle Eastern, and Asian civilizations used them for warriors, elderly care, and postpartum recovery. Why? Because sesame seeds contain more calcium than milk, making them excellent for bone and muscle support. Why seniors need sesame seeds? They strengthen bones to prevent fractures. They improve balance and stability. They help muscles contract properly. They reduce leg cramps and body aches. They support heart health. If you ever experience sudden nighttime leg cramps or that burning muscle pull feeling, your body might be begging for more calcium and magnesium, both found in sesame seeds. Bonus benefit? They contain sesamin, a rare compound that lowers inflammation and supports healthy aging. How to use? Senior friendly. Add to soups, sprinkle on bread, mix into pop, use as tahini paste. Your joints will thank you. Seed number 4, hemp seeds, the complete protein powerhouse. Hemp seeds are a miracle for seniors who struggle with digestion, weakness, or low appetite. Why? Because hemp seeds contain complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. Most plant foods don't have this. Eggs have it, but hemp seeds are easier for the aging stomach. Just 3 tablespoons give more usable protein than 2 boiled eggs. Why seniors need hemp seeds? They repair muscle tissue faster than animal-based protein. They digest easily, even with weak stomachs. They help with weight control. They reduce inflammation, and they support heart and brain health. Many seniors complain that eggs make them feel bloated or heavy. Hemp seeds give all the benefits with none of the discomfort. How to use? Add to smoothies, pop, yogurt, oatmeal, or rice. If you suffer from muscle loss, weakness, or slow recovery, hemp seeds are your new best friend. Seed number 5, sunflower seeds, the senior energy and strength booster. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, one of the most important nutrients for seniors. With age, your cells lose their protective shield, and vitamin E restores it. This is why seniors who eat sunflower seeds daily report more energy, less fatigue, better recovery, stronger immune system, reduced muscle weakness. Why vitamin E matters for seniors? It protects the cells inside your muscles from aging and damage. This keeps your muscles young, strong, and active. The hidden secret. When sunflower seeds and flax seeds are eaten together, they create a super antioxidant duo. This duo helps reduce inflammation, strengthen muscle cells, slow down aging, improve stamina. It's one of the best seed combinations for seniors who want to regain strength. How to use: eat a handful daily or sprinkle on meals. Stick around. Seed number 6 is the one almost everyone throws away, but it's the real secret weapon for seniors trying to build strength fast. Seed number 6, watermelon seeds, the shocking senior strength secret. Almost everyone throws watermelon seeds away, yet these tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that help build muscle faster than many traditional protein foods, including eggs. Watermelon seeds are rich in amino acids for muscle repair, magnesium for muscle activation, zinc for tissue rebuilding, and healthy fats for energy. Why they're a hidden treasure for seniors? They help improve blood flow, and better blood flow means stronger muscles, better endurance, sharper brain function, and faster recovery. Watermelon seeds were traditionally used by athletes in some cultures to recover quickly and boost strength. Signs you may need watermelon seeds: feeling tired after simple tasks, slow healing, weak muscles, low appetite, poor circulation. How to use: senior method: roast lightly and eat. Blend into tea, add to pop or smoothies. If you want natural strength after 60, this seed is a must-have. The muscle building formula, the juicy secret. Here's the simple daily formula that works better than eggs for seniors. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix into pap, smoothies, warm water, yogurt, oatmeal. This works because seniors need healthy fats, complete amino acids, anti-inflammatory support, minerals for muscle contraction. Eggs can't provide all 4, but these seeds do. If you've watched this far, tell me in the comments, which seed are you going to start eating today? And remember, your age does not define your strength, your habits do. Thank you for watching to the end. I'll see you, God's willing, in the next one. Don't forget that green health cares.